In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open your account in ElevenLabs and begin exploring the fascinating world of voice creation. Whether you're a content creator looking for the perfect narration voice or an enthusiast eager to experiment with different vocal tones, this guide will walk you through every step of the process seamlessly. First things first, you need to access your ElevenLabs account. If you haven't set one up yet, I recommend visiting the ElevenLabs website to register. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, the hub of all your creative activities within the platform. Now, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. You will notice a panel with various options designed to help you navigate different features of the platform. This is where you will manage most of your tasks, from creating unique voices to exploring existing ones. Among these options, you should see a tab labeled Voices. This tab is your gateway to all things related to voice creation and customization. Click on the Voices tab and you'll be greeted with a new interface dedicated to voice options. It's an exciting place to be, especially if you're eager to experiment with various vocal styles and characteristics. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the available options. You might see some existing voices that users commonly opt for, but today, we're focusing on crafting something unique. To embark on the journey of creating a new, unique voice, look for a distinctive button or link that prompts you to begin the creation process. Often this will be clearly marked, so it won't take much searching. By clicking on this option, you're opening up the vast possibilities of voice design offered by ElevenLabs. Once you've initiated the creation process, you will typically encounter various settings and parameters to tweak. These might include vocal timbre, pitch, speed, and accent. While it might initially seem overwhelming, take this opportunity to experiment. Try adjusting different settings to see how they affect the voice's final output. The key here is to have fun and discover what combinations resonate with your vision. As you try different configurations, don't hesitate to utilize any available tools or previews that allow you to listen to how your adjustments influence the voice. This is crucial in ensuring the voice you create aligns with your expectations and needs. Once you're satisfied with your unique creation, remember to save your settings. This way, you'll have convenient access to your custom voice for future projects. So, there you have it. By following these steps, you're on your way to not only opening an account with ElevenLabs, but also diving deep into the exciting realm of personalized voice creation. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Happy voice crafting!